Hello. Previous videos have demonstrated how to identify keywords and how to construct a search strategy using those keywords. In this video, you will learn how to locate the library guide for ENC3250, Professional Writing, how to search databases using keywords, and how to access the full text of journal articles. First, start at the library website and make sure that you are logged in. The library provides access to many databases. The easiest way to locate databases relevant to your topic or assignment is to find the guide associated with the subject or course you're taking. Choose Guides, then Subject and Course Guides, then scroll down to English and Literature, click on the link, and choose ENC3250 Professional Writing. On this guide, we identify databases that are relevant for some of the projects that students work on in this particular class. For your assignment, the two databases to focus on are ABI Inform Global and Business Source Premier. In order to access a database, click on the title of the database, and it will bring up a search screen where you can insert keywords. Now, some databases give you one line to search on, but if you have multiple keywords, sometimes it's best to click on the advanced search screen. So for example, if we were looking for articles that will provide evidence that employee training programs boost job effectiveness or productivity amongst employees, we would want to put in keywords to describe that. So if I type in employee training on one line, and then job effectiveness or productivity on the next, what I'm saying to the system to do is to find all the items that have the words employee training, and then they also must have either job effectiveness or productivity in them. Once I have a search strategy within the boxes, go ahead and click on search. ABI Inform includes scholarly journal articles. It also includes chapters of books, dissertations and theses, non-scholarly materials like newspapers, as well as things like conference proceedings. To focus on those academic scholarly articles, one of the things that you can do is to click on either scholarly journals over to the left or click on peer-reviewed. This limits your search to just those scholarly peer-reviewed journal articles. Now you can start looking at the titles and seeing whether things are relevant to your topic. Another way to limit your search is to limit by date. Many of these databases go back very far, and you probably are looking for things that are up to date. You can either enter a date range or use the slide bar to the left to isolate a time period. I'm choosing the last 10 years. So now I have picked out keywords, I have limited my search to just scholarly journal articles, and I've limited them to the last 10 years. Now I can look at the titles and see whether anything on this list is going to be relevant for my topic. And so for example, let's take the second one on the list. Click on the title to access the article. In many cases, you will get the full text of the article in text as well as a link to the PDF. You can then take this PDF, download it, print it. You can also click on Cite over to the right, change the citation style to MLA, and it will show you how to cite this article in MLA style. Many of our databases have citation makers in them, so please take advantage of them. To go back to the search results, just simply click back to search results. Most of the articles in this database are available full text as PDF. PDF is typically the format that you want to download an article in because it's easier to use. Now, sometimes you will see that not every article has a full text link within it. Sometimes you'll see a link that says find it at USF. If you see that, just click on the link. And it will open a page and tell you whether USF has access to this article full text. And in this case, we have access in many ways. Just choose one of the links. And then it will open the article in the journal, and you can then click on View PDF to get the full text of the article, which then you can download or print. Let's go back to the list of databases and take a look at another database. Let's take a look at Business Source Premier. These databases work the same in theory. Sometimes the search screens are slightly different. So in this case, the search screen is set on the advanced search. So you can again simply type in your search. And click on search. Once again, this database also includes non-scholarly materials as well as other type of books, etc. So make sure that you limit yourself to either peer-reviewed or academic journals. And again, you can also limit by time period and use the slide bar to move to a time period. And again, you will see a list of articles. Many of them have the Find It at USF. Some of them have links to the full text. So if I click on the title, I can read a little bit about the article. I also have my citation tool over to the right-hand side and a link to the full text. And once again, I can print, download, save. To review, from the ENC Professional Writing Guide, ENC3250, choose one or two databases and do your search. Make sure that you use relevant keywords. Make sure that you actually locate the articles before you finish with the database, and also make sure that you download citations whenever possible. Thank you.